So hello everybody. Today I want to share you my very short story about one of last code reviews and about tests. So let's imagine we have in React such very simple component which is connection status based on the status of our connectivity. And based on that we show to the user the information that there is a problem or maybe everything is okay. So we have did our implementation, everything is okay. But we agreed in our team that we want to write tests. We want to have big coverage. We want to be on a safe side. So let's write some tests. OK. We have some tests for connection status, which will show offline message if we are online. Offline, sorry. And we render this connection status. Then we want to check that the offline message is shown, is here. So let's run this test. Test is passing, everything is green. We can create our pull request and go home. But there is one problem, because there is time for code review. And there is a developer who will see that there is a bug. We want to show offline message when we are offline, not online. So why the test passes? And again, it passes again. So what is the conclusion? This test do nothing. It only increases our perception of safety. It increases the code we have to maintain, and we can show to our manager that code coverage is bigger, and it's problematic. So what was the problem here was that this particular expression is returning enzyme wrapper. This is an object helper, which helps us to find element in DOM, but it's not the thing we are looking for. So if you are checking that it is truthy, yes, because this helper is always truthy. We can also say here, hello, WarsawJS. It will also pass. Of course, in this particular case, we have to use different notation. For example, to have length of 1. This is one of matters. Yeah, we now see that test is red, because we have no element like that. We can change this to, in our code. OK, now we have a correct implementation, and it's red. So maybe let's go to the conclusion now. OK, sorry. I changed this selector. Oof, I'm saved. OK. We can also use another construction, for example, from just enzyme. It's green again, and that's not the point of this talk, that if we should use just enzyme or something different. The point is that we should make our test broken. I mean, when we write tests after implementation, we need to break our production code and see whether we really covered the real problem or maybe something different. And it was mentioned today, I think, twice. So you have two options. One of them is write first production code, then write your test, then make your production code broken and see whether tests fail. If not, you are in trouble. And another option is to use, for example, test-driven development, to write test first. So you have no, in test-driven development, you have no way to see the green test because there were no implementation, no production code before running tests. So then you provide production code and see that something is written in proper way. So that's it. Please make your test red. And I'm Paweł Barszcz, and you can find me on Twitter as encoder. That's it.